तेलंगाना पुलिस अब टेक्नोलॉजी को इस्तेमाल करते हुए दिखाई दे रही है। जी हां, अब ट्रैफिक पुलिस के ओहदेदार बुक पकड़ते हुए चालान आज से नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि अब टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल किया जाएगा। चालान अब सिर्फ क्रेडिट व डेबिट कार्ड के जरिए ही कबूल किए जाएंगे, जिसका आज इफ्तिताह तेलंगाना के वजीर दाखिला नईनी नरसिम्हा रेड्डी के हाथों अमल में आया। इस मौके पर तेलंगाना के डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ पुलिस अनुराग शर्मा, हैदराबाद सिटी कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस एम महेंद्र रेड्डी, साइबराबाद के कमिश्नर ऑफ पुलिस सीवी आनंद, एडिशनल कमिश्नर क्राइम स्वाति, एडिशनल कमिश्नर ट्रैफिक जितेंद्र के अलावा और भी दीगर पुलिस के आला ओहदेदार मौजूद थे।
Many initiatives which have been taken up by Telangana police, especially in Hyderabad and Hyderabad, where the technology is being used more and more, so that it not only works as a force enhancer, force multiplier, but also gives satisfaction and confidence to people that whatever is being done in a transparent manner. That is why these initiatives have been taken up, and one of the most important ones as far as the traffic regulation is concerned is the enforcement of cashless challans. Hitherto, the police used to stop people who are violating the traffic rules on the road and issue them a challan and take the money from them, which was giving rise to a lot of apprehensions, sometimes chaos, sometimes arguments, and also was bringing bad name to police that the traffic challaning is not being done in a transparent manner. Now, Hyderabad City Police has taken up initiative, and every challan will be an e-challan and also supported by evidence. Evidence in the form of a photograph or a video, so that no traffic violator can say that I did not violate. Second thing is, the money will not be collected on the spot. The person who has been challan will be given a ticket and he will be asked to pay within a week in the nearest bank system or E-seva or Mee-Seva, from where the money can be paid, and as soon as the money is paid, the challan will get reflected, rather the money, the payment will be reflected in the server, and it